Happy Caturday, everyone. This is Jess from Bean Budgets wishing you a happy Caturday. We are here to save some money and stuff some money. We do have our money over here. I'm not going to count it on camera. I counted it a couple minutes ago, and it is $998. We will not, hopefully not be using all of it because I'll need some money for next week to stuff some other envelopes. So on that note, our paw approvers are taking a restful nap right now. So we'll see if they come in here. I'm guessing they probably won't. They are pretty comfortable where they are. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and we're going to finish some challenges today. But before that, we do need to stuff some of my variable expenses. I do need some money in groceries. I actually went to the store and did a little shopping today. And all I can say is like all the fruit looked really good. So we are going to add $100. This is less than what I probably normally would, but I'm going to see if I can stretch it. I have a little bit left over from 2 weeks ago. And actually, I need to take out money because I put it on my credit card this week. So I do need to take a little bit more out of here. So if we add 100, we'll have 50, 100, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. And yes, hopefully we can make that stretch like 2 weeks. Gas, oops, I already had the envelope open. Gas, we are going to add $30 to, and so we have 20, 30, 40, and I have a $5 placeholder, so 45. I have not done my car wash yet. That's considered in here. So yeah, the sun is out right now, so that's nice. All right, pet supplies. We're going to add $20. So we have 100, 150, 170, 180. Yes. And this is probably going to be spent here next week. Not all of it, but a majority of it. I need to stock up on the cats, their canned food. I get 1 can a day split between them. And I usually do like a 3-month or more stock up, and I'm getting really low. Like I'll be out probably within 2 weeks. So, and yeah. Okay. So then we are going to do dining out. I only have, oops, I had the envelope open. I only have $9. So I was going to add 20 just so I have enough if anything impromptu comes up. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. All right. And then I need to add $20. I'm going to add $20 into my medical. I am still paying off from when I injured myself in December. My graceful fall that ended up being, 2 days later going to the doctor because I couldn't really walk. That x-ray, yep, still paying for it. Okay, 100, 200, 250, 270, 290. This is not enough to cover that bill yet, but we're working on it. Working on it, guys. All right, and then donations are $5. We are empty on this one completely because I did have $52 in here. but I did that local fundraiser. Was it last weekend now? Yeah, last weekend. And so of the $165 that I spent, I took 52 out of it on donations for that cause. And then I have a buffer in my one savings that I had before I even started budgeting my money. So that's why that is now going to be at just $5. All right, and then we have to stuff our car insurance. Now, this I hate this one. I mean, I don't mind putting money in it. I just I hate taking money out. And I had $640, but we no longer have that anymore because I had to pay my car insurance. But this is why we save. This is why we save. I have not cleared off. Sorry, I probably should. There we go. Zoom in. I have not cleared this off, but I decided I'm not going to because I want to see it be full, like pretty colors. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. So we have 180 in here now. My insurance wasn't, I guess I didn't know really what to expect. But I had left over. Anyhow, this has been growing for a very, very long time, since like a year ago. So, anyhow, yeah, that is that. All right, let's get to the fun stuff. Now that we got that insurance crap out of the way. Ugh, we don't like that one. Okay, we need to do this one, and we are going to finish this one today, everyone. This is our group play from Ellie on Earth. Mystery all together. So we are going to finish it. Yay, yay, yay. So last one down here. $4. Woo-hoo. And I don't know why I needed to feel the... I don't know why I needed the need to feel I need to go woohoo, but there we go. We're going to put $1 in to take out a 5. All right, so all together, this challenge, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, $42. Woo, woo. Again, the need to do that, I have no idea. So let's do 2 5s for a 10. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I might need those more ones later on. Let's do all this for a 20. All right. Oh, and then we need to do $1 in our ding ding. I know we'll be finishing another challenge too. All right. So very cool. Very, very, very cool. We'll put this off to the side for the moment. Okay. So there is that. All right. I'm just seeing here. I must have. Okay. 26 paycheck. Let's fill in this one. This one's worth 40. We only did half last time. So we're going to add 20 for sure. 20. And let's do this 10 up here for 30 altogether. I feel like I've been working on this one for a very long, very long time, which I have. So, like, kind of like, hurry up here, Jessica. Hurry it up. So 20 and 10 is 30. This will be $1,000 when said and done. And We are nowhere near that yet. 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 470, 480, and 490. Okay, well, we're almost halfway. Just put a little bit more focus on that one. All right. Now we are going to do our hip hop kitty cat. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So we have our hip hop. Now I have the hippity hop. Is that from The Wedding Singer when the granny sings? Okay. So let's just go ahead and do this one. $6. I want to do another one, so we're going to do another one. $8. Oh, these scratch really nice. So 8 and 6 is 14. Oh, I don't feel like my vacuum does very good. So 14. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 5 is a total of 19. $19. All right, and then our next one is our grillin', tentin', camping cats. And we had a 6. Let's do this one for 8. Let's do this one. We're going to do 2. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11. So 10, 11 plus our 6 is $17. All right. Awesome. And then, hold on, I'm like caught up here. There we go. Where is my, oh, it's under my paperwork. Oh, now my dancing kitty's drunk and falling over. I got my gray kitty. Oh, you can't even see him. I got my gray kitty and my orange kitty. All right, this is our 12 months game board. And we have, let's see here. We have 2 eggs. So if we just do one today. I know I'm a little bit ahead, but that's okay. I feel like we should do another one. I don't know why. I just feel we should. So we're going to put $10. This will save $300. So we have 50, 100, 10, 15. 115. Okay. We need to work on our Save the Rainbow, guys. I have been working on this one for a long time as well, but I didn't give it love at first. Well, I didn't give it love there for a while. Ooh, our envelope's getting thick. So we need to work on this one like quite a bit because I said so. And yeah, okay, we got our markers. Let's let's do 4. And let's do 2 more. Okay, so 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and a 2. Okay, so the 1 is a red one. This is good. This is like a huge challenge, you guys. We got 2 number 2s. So there's 1, 2, 3. We got 1, 3. So $3 for the yellow Skittle. And the 4 is the green. So all together we got 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have $14. I think we definitely need to go again. 14. Hold on. Do I have a 1 in here? I do. So we're going to take out the 1 and put the 5 in. Okay. Let's do it again. 4, 1, 6, 4. All right, let's do 2 more. Yep, we just got it. We got to keep working on this one. So we got a 1, and we got a 2. I'm gonna say, do you guys have a favorite Skittle? I mean, I like them all, but I definitely like the red ones. I like the grape ones too. We got 2 4s. And then we also got a 6. A 6 is a wild. Oh. So for this is 8, 10, 13. We got $14 already. 14. Let's just. Now I'm totally confused. Do I put $6? But I did a while. Nope. So we'll do 14, but we're just gonna do a 1 so we can just make it 15. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. So all together, then we're gonna have $30 in here. If we're gonna take the 20. All right, guys. Like I said, we gotta get this one. We gotta show it lots of love every time. Oh Lord, do I have the money all screwed? No, I don't. I see what I did. It just got a little mixed up when I took it out of the envelope. Must not have took it all out. Oops, I just like hit you guys. All right, and I did count up, and this will be $893. So we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270, 275, 76, 77, 277. Okay, well, 277. We're like what? A third of the way there? All right, that's cool, guys. We are going to get this baby finished. Hopefully, I don't know when. Before the year ends, that's for sure. All right, then our next one, we are going to play 2. Let me move these. We're going to play 2 rounds of chip away. We're going to finish this one too, guys. And we'll see how much money this brings. So right off the bat, I'm going to put in $1 for our ding ding. Yeah, okay. I was like, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so let's. No, that's too far in. Okay, we'll just do this. All right, this came from Mel from Mystic Budgets. A 1, a 2, a 3, and a 5. A 1, whoops, a 2, a 3, and a 5. All right. A 3, a 2, a 2, and a 6. So here's a 6, and a 2, and a 3, and a 2. Awesome. Sorry, keep moving. A 1, 2, a 3, and a 5. A 3, a 3, a 3, but we need another. We don't have this 3. We have a 2 and a 6. We don't have any 2s left. We have a 6. Okay, so we get to do these 2 dice. And we got a 3 and a 5. Well, we do have the 5, but we do not have the 3, so we lose that chip. A 5, a 1, a 4, and a 6. All right, so then we just add these 5 numbers now because we're out of chips. So 6 and 4 is 10, 14, 15, 19. 19. Where's my envelope? 19. We do have $1. We're going to take out the $1 to put in the 20. All right, guys. Another game. I'm going to keep you guys in suspense just here a little bit. We're going to color. I don't really know what that was, but we're going to color these in, and then eventually we'll come back and play this again. All right, here we go again. Oh, we need this chip. A 2, a 2, a 3, and a 5. A 2, oops. Okay, a 2, a 3, a 5, and a 2. I'm trying to think. I don't remember what Mel had for her count when she finished her game board. Because I know she's writing it on the back to see like every dashboard. And I don't remember. Don't remember, guys. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to beat her as far as who saved the most money. But little friendly competition there. All right. This is the 1 back here. A 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. A 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay. A 5, a 5, a 1, and a 2. A 5. We don't have this 5. We don't have a 2, but we do have a 1. All right, we get to redo these 2. A 5 and a 1, which we don't have. So we lose both these chips. So 10, 20, $27? Are you joking me? Oh my God, I was so not prepared for that at all. So 25, 26, 27. Holy shnikes. Oh my God. Okay. So went out with a bang there on the last one. Let me just clean this up here because I don't want to lose these chips. This is a fun game. All right. Saving challenges are fun too. Scratch offs, roll and saves. Oh, they're all fun. Okay, so we're well, you know, saving money is the name of the game here. Oh, any guesses? I know we were well over 200. All right, so chip away. We had 8, 12, so 20 games. 20 games, guys. Here we go. We have some placeholder and cash. 100, 200, 250, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 25, 30, 1, 2. $332. Holy moly, shnikey. Wow. That is amazing. My goal here is to save for my home equity loan. Part of me wants to maybe put that in some of my variable funds, like my tire fund. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my God, that is just amazing. Okay. Well, since I knew we were finishing two challenges, I do want to start some more. So we are going to start this one because, oh my God, how adorable. How adorable. It's on photo paper. Oh my gosh. Okay. And of course I have to look up who it's from. I have an idea, but I want to make sure I say the name correctly. So $4. Oh my God, you guys are all so creative with Etsy. I mean, if I could just spend money on savings challenges, I mean, I wouldn't be able to save. I could buy them, but I won't have any money to play them then. So we're going to add $4 into this one. So we're starting that one. Yay. And then I want to start this one from Golden Girl Budgets. The little bunnies, aren't they adorable? Oh, I just had to. $2. Let's do another one. $5. So $7 altogether. $7. There we go. And it's like I need envelopes. Okay. And then okay, we're also going to start this one. I've had this one for a long time. It was a packet from Snow Gardener 307 of like a mystery packet of things that maybe had flaws, but hey, it still works. It's a Boba mystery. It's under 75, 1 through 10. I have never had Boba before, so I have no idea what it tastes like. So that's a 7 under there. So 5, 6, 7. There we go. And then there's one more I want to start. And this one is from Mystic Budgets. And it's a roll and save because I'm like, I want to need some more dice. We're going to roll the D12 for this one. We got an 11. All right. There we go. I'm just going to put D12. And that is it, y'all. That's what we have today. So here's my $11. I need to get an envelope for that. And then we finished the 2 ding ding envelope. Or 2 for the ding dings. So we're going to put that in here. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Let's put some 5s in here. All right, so we did not spend all our money, which is great because I'll need some of that for next week's savings challenges. All right, guys, that's what I have for today. I hope you all have a great weekend, and the video got really long, so sorry about that. Thank you for those that have made it to the end. For those of you that have subbed, I really appreciate it. For those of you that watch my hours, that's awesome. My goal was to have 500 subbies before the end of the year. But now I'm hoping maybe in July I could hit 500 because that will be my year of being on YouTube. All right, everyone. As always, paw approved. Bye, y'all.